on our way to Walmart. It is cold.
Oh, it's like brisk.
You from New York? He's always cold. Oh, it's cold. You guys, I only do this for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Make sure you guys share our videos.
Hit that notification bell.
Hit that notification bell. And make sure you guys like this video because I'm from San Diego. I'm from California. And I don't do cold. And I got this little jacket on. And it is freezing.
I told you.
But today again is December 26th. And we're going to see what Walmart has on sale the day after Christmas. We're walking slow because we usually only do 75 and 90. But we're going to make this video for you guys to see what they have. See if they have anything good. We'll see you inside. All right, you guys. We're headed over to this Christmas aisle. We're going to see how crazy it is. Look, you already see people with carts full of stuff. Look at this. Whoa. That's a lot. Whoa. Oh, look at this. These people are grabbing. All right. We don't need any of that little stuff. So today, Walmart is actually 50% off. Hey, you gotta go down. All the way. All the way. All right. Why'd she put her cart right in the middle of the aisle? All right, you guys. So it's kind of crazy in here, but not that crazy. Look at this guy's cart right here. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. Look at this man's cart. Hold on, guys. Look at that. That is crazy. All right, so we're gonna see what they have. Still got the dirt bikes. Everything is 50% off. Taken at the register. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Are these 50% off too? Right here? Sure. All right. This one don't have a lot of stuff, you guys. All right, so let me show you guys the signage. So it says 50% off at the register, but you guys still can scan it just to make sure. But it is 50. I'm surprised it's not more crowded in here because it's usually packed. I am not going outside. You on your own?
It's such a scary cat.
I'm cold. All right, so let's see what else they have. They have a bunch of paper. Nothing too much. What we focus on, Manny, can you scan this? Can you scan this, Manny? You guys, on Angel on the Go, what we focus on is when it's 50% off. Can you scan that card? What we focus on, sorry you guys, is like the big ticket items. Like if we could find a Grinch, if we can find some of the big inflatables. But these little items like gift wrapping paper, bows, you know, these little knick-knack things, Christmas lights, we're not looking for that. So, do you see anything? Because I don't. Come on, we got the Dollar Trees at Walmart, so you know we don't need any of those. But if you guys are looking for a Christmas tree, wow, that's $3.49. Ah, they're 50% off if you guys are looking for it. It's not that packed. What is that? I don't know. So it's going to be half of the $69. They have these tree storage bags, 50% off. Well, nah, that's like some kind of statue. All right, we're going to walk down here and see what they have. And what we learned for doing this for like the past couple of years is that people come here and they grab everything when it hits 50. They're not realizing that this stuff is probably going to be here when it's 90 or 75. But these are like the tags, and we're definitely going to wait for these. They got a couple of tree what those things called? Those tree toppers. We have these. So we're just here just to show you guys what they have. They got a bunch of toys left. Look at this. Uh-oh. There's your monster truck. Did we get another one? There's another one. They got a bunch of these angels. All right. But again, if you guys are actually looking for this stuff, it's 50% off.
Everybody comes in and that's the first thing they go for. Like, it's a great deal. And at the end of the day, when it hits 90, they're probably still gonna have some of those. And I still think about it, whether I want that or not.
Yeah, I mean, we don't really sell like the to and from tags. I mean, it's cool, but we use them for our kids, so that's a good thing. I know last year we bought the gift tags for about 18 cents when it hit 90. So that's, have you seen Christmas trees? Or is it me? Did they put the Christmas trees away?
It's probably outside.
Let's go check. Because I'm gonna tell you, Manny, I hope Walmart don't think they slick. Their Christmas trees used to be all here. Right here. This whole rack used to be Christmas trees. And they only have these left? That's crazy. We're gonna check out here, you guys.
Yeah, I got it.
And Mondays and Fridays? But
No, there's no trees out here. Did they put the Christmas trees away? I will ask them. They're managers. Ask them. Okay, Manny's gonna ask them. I know Walmart didn't put their Christmas trees away. All right. But again, it's not too busy. I know the last couple years that we've been to Walmart after Christmas, it was packed. Look how cute this is. They got a bunch of these cars left. So Walmart looked like they stuck with these cars. Bring them down to 75% and we'll get them. Where's all the Christmas trees? Like the
You said they sold out. But
really?
I don't remember this store
This is
had a major one.
yeah.
Thanks,
I'm telling you right now, this whole rack right here,
Yeah.
all the way to here had small Christmas trees, and they're all gone.
We'll check the other one and see.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Because one ain't gonna hurt us. So.
All right. They still have these. You want to scan these? They might be 75% off.
Same, see what it is.
I so wanted to get one of these for my son, you guys, but they cost too much. Look at these. No one's over here. And it looks like Christmas, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Bath and Body? Wait. That's not Bath and Body, is it? It says Bath and Body. I doubt it.
I'm just saying it's for your
Yeah, they think they slick. It's really pretty though. It has those sparkles in it. And this is what is it? Nutmeg and sweet cream. So this is hand wash. So those will be 50. These will be 50. They have, oh, look at all these over here, Manny. So if you guys are looking for the home for the holidays, look how pretty that is. Look at that. These are 50. This one is nutmeg and sweet. They're all the same thing. You want to scan it? What's it coming up? Okay, so it is 50. It's coming up $3.48. Regular price is $6.97. So I'm gonna wait until these hit 90 for sure. These will be, how much will it be? 90, 70 cents?
Yeah, 69, 60.
Yes. So you guys, when these hit 90% off, make sure you guys turn on your notifications.
Yeah, we're gonna take the shelf.
Yes, we're gonna take this whole display right here when it hits 90.
Maybe with that.
Yeah,
Like
we're gonna take all this plexiglass right here. We're gonna take it all. So these will only be about 70 cents, 67 cents, 70 cents when it hits 90. We got the Christmas shirts. Yeah, we get those at 90. Wow, look at these shelves. For real? Is Walmart really putting stuff back? Okay, they got a couple more gift sets down here. All right, these are all 50. All right, we're showing you what else they have. These are hand soaps, which we usually get after Christmas when it hits 90 at 9 cents. They got some Pioneer Woman containers. Those are $5. So these will be $2.50. Those are kind of cute. You can put like cookies and stuff in there. Yeah, those are gonna be $2.50. All right.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see what else they got. They got these blankets out here. These Mainstays plush throws. They'll be about $2 or something. Oh, I like these better. These are nice. So this is the kind of stuff that we're gonna keep our eye on, you guys. Make sure you guys turn on that notification bell, because when it hits 75 and 90, we are definitely gonna let you know. Can you give me a price on these? So these are also Pioneer Woman. They got this one, super cute. They got the one with the cowboy boots. And we don't use any of this, but it sells well. Okay, so those are also, these are $2.50 too. Those are cute. And for some reason, everyone is focused on the aisles over on this other side. And this aisle is kind of dead. So this is the kind of stuff. Ooh, Manny, look at that. Okay, we gonna hide it? We gonna hide it. These are the kind of items that we look for. So they can have those bowls and those gift sets and stuff like that. We really don't need those. Oh, those are cute. Look at these, Manny. Look. Those are cute. They're like Christmas ornaments.
That's cool.
They're like little dispensers. All right, so that is our Walmart walkthrough. 50% off. Let us know if you guys got up early to grab some of these deals. Make sure you guys stay tuned, because we are going to bring you a huge video when it hits
75 and 90.
when it hits 75 and 90.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing. So we're really going to stock up this year. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Make sure you guys like, subscribe,
Hit that notification
click
bell.
on that notification bell,
Share.
and we'll see you on the next video.